Hi, we are students from One Commitment and we are here to present a PowerPoint presentation about paper chromatography. The purpose of the report is to explain and add knowledge about chromatography to the students and to also clarify if coatings on M&M's candies and Skittles candies are to be the same. Our members are Goh Chun Heng, Leong Yurei, Nicole, Shakir and Chiu Shuning.
This project is to find the dye that make the color of the coatings on M&M candies and Skittles candies. Chromatography is used to separate mixtures of substances into their components. All forms of chromatography work on the same principles. They all have a stationary phase and a mobile phase. The mobile phase flows through the stationary phase and carries the component of the mixture with it. Different components travel at different rates. We'll look at the reasons for this further down the page. In paper chromatography, the stationary phase is a very uniform absorbent paper. The mobile phase is a suitable liquid, solvent or mixture of solvent.
The analysis of the location, size, color, and form of the various spots formed on the plate provides information about the chemical identity of the components of the sample, which is a point for determining if a substance is a pure substance or a mixture. A pure substance would have a result of one color that goes up the paper, while a mixed substance would have more than one color going up the paper. The materials needed for the experiments are M&M candies, Skittles candies, boiling tubes, wooden split, and chromatography paper, which is also filter paper. This is the procedure of the experiment. One M&M candy and Skittles candy of the same color was placed into two 50 ml beakers respectively. A few drops of water was then added onto the candies and was given just enough time to dissolve the color coating only, and not the chocolate or the content beneath the color coating, as it will affect the results. A straight pencil line is drawn along one edge of the two papers with about 2 cm from the edge. This is the start line. A pencil is placed across of the start line drawn in step 3. A small drop of color coating of M&M and Skittles candy on the cross of the two papers was placed respectively. The tip of a wooden spoon was used to do this. Water was placed into two boiling tubes to a depth which must be below the start line. Paper was then placed into each of the boiling tubes and suspended in the water. The experiment was repeated with another two colors of M&M and Skittles candies. After so, the chromatogram was removed when the food coloring had separated well enough on the paper. The chromatogram was left to dry after removed and was examined. The results was then finally tabulated. These are the results. These are the discussion done by our group. With the results of different color coating of M&M's and Skittles candies, we have come to a conclusion that M&M's candies coatings are made of pure substance, while Skittles candies coating are made of mixed substances. A mixed substance is made up of two or more color coating, although not all of the coatings of each candy was made of the same substance, but from research we have decided so. When comparing the result of the same color coating of M&M and Skittles candies, we also found out that the substance that made makeup of each color coating is the same, but the color of M&M is darker compared to Skittles. Our conclusion: M&M's candies coating are made of pure substance, while Skittles candies coating are made of mixed substances. The mixed substances on the Skittles candies coating are made up of 2 or more coatings. Some are the same while some are not. It depends on the color of each candy from the results above. They are different as some are mixed substance while the rest are pure substances, as different colors coating are made of different substances. These are the links to our references. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you have enjoyed the presentation. We also hope that you have understood more about paper chromatography.